Hello, my name is Tamra Provines, and I'm with the Carnahan Group at ReeceNichols. Today I want to speak to you about buying in a seller's market. 3 steps to buying in a seller's market. The first step is to define and determine if you are in fact purchasing in a seller's market. So you might hear on the streets or around town that, oh, it's a seller's market right now, it's a terrible time to buy. But it may not be true across the board in your community. Currently in Wichita, where I am at, it is a seller's market only in specific segments of the market. So we're seeing those homes under $300,000 sell very quickly. Some of those homes are only staying on the market as little as 1 day. We had one agent in our office who listed a home at $144,900. She put it on the market in the morning time, and by noon she had over 20 showing requests. This is a prime example of a seller's market. Homes priced between $300,000 and $500,000 are seeing a more balanced market. And now for those homes that are priced over $500,000 are staying on the market a little bit longer. That brings us to step number 2. Be diligent in your research. Determining which market you are in may make a difference on how aggressive of an offer you need to make. Spend some time online over a multiple of days or weeks learning the market, researching what homes are selling for within the price range that you're looking, and discovering how long they are on the market, and learning which amenities are important to you and what your money will buy is very essential. Step 3 is being prepared to make the offer quickly if you are in that segment that is in a seller's market. This means that you will need to get pre-approved in advance. You'll need to move quickly when a house comes up on the market. So it's important to have your real estate agent set you up for automatic emails, so those are delivered to you instantly. Our website updates every 15 minutes, and I can help you set that up so that you'll never miss a thing. Once those homes come on the market, be prepared to write an offer same day. Don't let your emotions make your decisions. Oftentimes in a seller's market, we see buyers want to jump the gun, or they want to ask way over offering price just because they don't want to lose out on the property. So we're going to be there with you to help you stay within your parameters and make sure this is the right purchase for you. But one of the best words of advice that I can tell a buyer that is buying in a seller's market is just be prepared to give your best offer on day one, and make that offer the most enticing to that seller. If you are competing against different offers, you want to have the cleanest contract that you can, with less contingencies, with less financing terms. Make it easy. In these cases, cash is king. People might take a lower offer if it's cash because they know it's easy. And then next comes conventional loans, and then those government-backed loans. So most people need to get a loan to buy a home, but don't let that stop you. Just try to make it as clean of contract as possible. I would be more than happy to help you navigate your way through purchasing a home during a seller's market.